sharing how to make this baby's breath heart wreath, which is perfect for Valentine's Day decor. I decided I would make my own wreath form since I wanted one that was larger than any I could find at the store. I have linked a couple options for buying them though, since that is a lot easier to do. But this was free and I was able to get a large wreath from it. I started out by tracing a giant paper heart that I had, since I hate freehanding things. I changed the shape of mine a bit since I wanted it a little taller. And what you're drawing doesn't need to be perfect since you don't see it at all, so go ahead and freehand it if you need to, and you can keep adjusting the size and shape as needed. After cutting out the heart, I created a second, slightly smaller heart inside of that and used an X-Acto knife to cut that out. And again, it doesn't need to be perfect. Next up was adding the floral foam to the wreath. I bought these blocks and then cut those down in size to better fit the wreath. Then I hot glued them to the wreath form. If there's little gaps, that's fine. You can go back through and fill those in with little pieces as needed. All of this is getting covered, so don't worry about it looking perfect. Then it was time to add the baby's breath. I just cut small pieces off and pushed the stems into the foam. Once I had the front of the wreath filled, I started adding more to the edges to fill that. I also kept hanging the wreath up and looking at it to see where you could see gaps and adding more baby's breath in those spots. Also, the baby's breath does shrink as it dries out and will show gaps, so you want it to be as full as possible to avoid this. I actually added a little extra to mine after a couple days just to fill it in even more, and it will still look nice as a dried wreath. I glued a sawtooth hanger on the back to hang my wreath from. Probably should have done this at the beginning, but the wreath was none the worse for flipping it upside down like this. I also added a ribbon to the wreath, but that's just for looks. It does hang from the sawtooth hanger. And that's it for creating this baby's breath heart wreath.